Everyone is there? Are you all back? Say hi to me. Class, I said 10:55. I hope you all are there because I want to finish this problem. Everybody say hi to me. Come on. Hi, Pavan. Yes, come on, come on. Pavan, where are your friends? They went to have breakfast? Hi, Prashant. Shall I start? Everybody's there? Yeah. So, we were on this, right? Now, you have to see the coefficients of this one x2, x2, wait, x2 and x1. Half, 1, 0 and 4. So 4 is the largest value. So that becomes the key row and key column, not key row. We only have to identify the key column. We identify the key row by the last column, isn't it? Minimum ratio column. So we identified, yeah, all are there. Jaswant, yes. We know the key column, all right? Wait, man, I'm not getting that one. No. Okay? So, now we have to divide. What do we have to divide? We have to divide solution column with the element of the key column. Okay? 32 divided by 4. Element in the key, this is the key column. The element in the key column is 4. So 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. Next, what do we have to do? We have to divide 6 divided by the element in the key column is half. 6 divided by half is equal to 12. Okay, so I divided the solution, this 32 and 6. 32 you have to divide it by, this is the key column. The element in the key column for 32 is 4. Element in the key column for 6 is half. So I divided 32 by 4, I got 8, and I got 6 divided by half is equal to 12. The smallest one is 8. So this one becomes the key row, or the S2 becomes the departing variable. This is the key row. Alright, this is the key row. So identify that as the key row, or the S2 becomes the departing variable. Now once again class, we have Look at delta. Delta is 4, 0, minus 4 by 5 and 0. All the others are okay. This 4 is not okay. So we need to do iteration 2. So get ready for another table. As usual, for this problem, we have been ruling 5 columns. First column leave place and then rule 5 columns. Rule 5 columns, please. Alright. And then for all of these 5 columns, only 2 rows. And the second row line you extend fully. This is how I have ruled. Already. So here I will write Cj, and as usual basic variable as I have ruled before. This is